one of the most powerful plants that I believe that everybody should have in their yard because of its amazing health and medicinal benefits is the aloe vera. So the aloe vera is good for the skin. Aloe vera is good for acne. It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to soothe the skin, and it's also good for wound healing. It's good for reducing fine lines and wrinkles, so it helps with anti-aging. They also say it helps with skin discoloration or hyperpigmentation. It's not just something that you can put on the skin, but it's also something that you can take internally. You can actually use the aloe vera gel to make a juice. In fact, what I like to do is I like to use the gel, add the gel to my coconut water in the mornings, and I drink that. It's also good to clean the colon, and it's a gentle, you'd say it's a gentle detox, right? So if you have constipation, this is what you want. You want to make your aloe vera juice. Also, it has antioxidants and it's good for your immune system. It's also good for oral health, and it also is good for blood sugar management. It's also good for heart health and your cholesterol levels, and it's even good for the health of your hair and scalp, as it helps to heal dry, fungal, or oily scalp conditions, and it may promote hair growth by increasing scalp circulation. All right, so after washing off the aloe, then I soak it for 10 minutes. This is how I have the aloe vera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off this part of the aloe so that I can get to the gel. The gel is on the inside, this part. So basically I use the spoon. You can use a knife, and I scoop it out like this. So once I scoop it into my coconut water, I use the skin because there's still gel left on it, and I rub it on my face because it's very moisturizing. It's very good for the skin. And I rub it on my neck as well, because you don't want to do your face and then your neck, so your face look good and then your neck look bad. You don't want to do that. And then I rub it in. So basically you can rub it in and then leave it on your skin for about 10 or 15 minutes and then wash it off, and it works as a cleanser in that way. But I also like to use it as a moisturizer, so I also leave it on my skin for the entire day. So this is my ritual every morning. Drinking coconut water with aloe vera and doing my aloe facial. So this is a powerful herb that I really believe that everybody should have in their yard. So make sure you plant up your aloe vera. Remember, this video is for educational purposes and reflects traditional use and available scientific literature. Consult a qualified health professional, naturopath or herbal physician if you have serious or severe symptoms, or for your personal treatment plan. If you have enjoyed this video and want to learn more about traditional medicine, herbal medicine, medicinal plants, then comment the word herb so that I know that the information that I'm sharing is useful. Also remember to watch another video. All right? Blessed.